In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to bookmark a post in Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account, as you can see from right here. In case you have not, do it right now. If you are confused in any way, we have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to add a post to Bookmark. Let's simply say I want to add this post to Bookmark right here. Well, it is quite easy. At the bottom right of the post, you will see these three dots. Click on it right now. And guys, once you do, a few things will open up, like simply adding to bookmark to blocking the user. Right now, we're only gonna focus on adding a bookmark, so we're gonna click on the first option right here. And guys, once you do, as you can see, the post has been added to bookmarks. And in context that you would like to view your bookmarks, simply look at the left side of the screen. Just below news, you will see a button like this that says bookmarked and liked. Click on it. And guys, that's it. From here you can see the post that you have bookmarked and liked. And that's about it, guys. That's how you bookmark a post in Binance Square. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.